Introducing the Rebel ADF Welding Mask by Jackson Safety. Built differently from traditional welding hoods, the Rebel makes its mark with an ultra-low profile design, providing an optimum solution when working in confined space. The ADF goggles are built directly into the mask for maximum protection, while a universal size FR-rated hood keeps your head, ears, and neck safe from sparks and heat. The Rebel comes complete with state-of-the-art specs, including top-notch switching speeds, an easy-to-use digital interface, and latest advancements in true color technology to deliver a realistic and detailed view of the weld. The mask is also compatible with prescription eyewear and fits comfortably under Jackson Safety brand hard hats. When your normal welding hood won't stand up to the task, put your trust in a Rebel. The Rebel by Jackson Safety.